This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Imagine a home designed with a contemporary floor plan with features including stainless steel appliances, beautiful laminate wood floors, and granite countertops with a bar area that's great for entertaining. Step into your master suite oasis with custom vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a private designer bathroom with dual sinks and a separate tub and shower. There is no need to imagine because this can be your home sweet home. Get in while it lasts. Call today for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-385-3966.